Hey guys, No97 here, and I have some bad news. I'm gonna have to be making a new YouTube account to become a YouTube partner, and I've been really waiting for that to happen. So it said I'm not eligible, so I'm thinking I'll have to buy a new, make a new Gmail and make a new YouTube channel. So I think that's gonna be a little hard to get used to. So, um, I'm gonna have another video up like tonight saying what my channel is and stuff. So that one's gonna be named a little different. So yeah, and I still want you guys to be checking out this one and subscribe to this one, but I really appreciate you guys looking at the other one because that's gonna be my YouTube partner channel. So yep, pretty much. So see you guys tonight.